Hello and welcome to the RPSG Indian Sports Honours, which celebrates sporting achievements of our athletes. I am Sayami Kher, and with me co-hosting today is the ever so charming Apar Shakti Khurana.
What's up, Sayami? How's it going?
So good to see you.
Good to see you. You're looking so pretty.
Thank you.
So guys, it's good to see you all, and finally we're getting the opportunity to honor the achievements of the year 2019. In the wake of the global pandemic, we had to wait to give out the honors, but better late than never, huh?
Absolutely. You know, getting to meet you, dressing up a little bit, it's all so exciting. And I've been such a huge sports fan that it just feels so good to be a part of this glittering ceremony.
I think Sayami is making it all the more glittery today.
Thank you, Apar. Acha, so tell me, what do we have in store today?
Well, we have lots of action, lots of talent, passion, celebrations.
You know what, Apar? We need to start the show with a bang, something powerful, something grand.
Wait a minute. Do you mean something Virat?
Exactly.
Okay.
So first up, let's listen in from the two gentlemen who've made the RPSG Indian Sports Honours possible.
Thank you, Sanjeev sir and Virat. This is a great endeavor to honor Indian sports. Let's take a quick look what else is in store for us. So without much ado, let's begin with our first set of honors, the Sportsman of the Year individual. Here are the nominees.
And the winner is Amit Pangal.
वाह क्या बात है मेरी पहली फिल्म का नाम था पंगल oh sorry वो दंगल था sorry are you totally ready for these speeches?
I am totally ready for it.
अलग से warm up करना पड़ता है but right now we are warming up for the next award.
Our next honor is the Sportswoman of the Year individual, and the nominees are.
And the winner is Shuttle Queen PV Sindhu. So guys, that was about individual honors, but what about collective team effort, guys? As they say, no one can whistle a symphony. It takes a full orchestra to play it. कैसा लगा मेरी लाइन कैसी लग रही है बताओ जरा.
वाह 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 गुलजार साहब. It's the honor for the team of the year. Let's take a look at the nominations. And the winner is men's cricket team. Congratulations, guys. It is said that there's always a right way and a wrong way, but one often forgets the spirited way, which is our next category, Spirit of Sport. The nominees are. And the winner is KL Rahul.
Sayami, I have a surprise for everybody here. You and the audience at home. Guess करो मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ इससे.
You know, I love surprises.
Yeah?
But should I be scared or should I be happy?
No, it's a happy surprise for all of us. Guys, to make this session more fun, we are now joined by KL himself and हमारे यादव की बारात, Kuldeep Yadav and Umesh Yadav. Well, that brings us to the end of this fun round. It's time for a tiny little break and we'll see you on the other side. क्या कहते हो चले?
But don't go anywhere. We are going to continue our chat with KL, Umesh and Kuldeep.
Absolutely.
See you shortly.
There's so much.
Welcome back. Before the break, we had honored KL Rahul with the Spirit of Sport and got into this amazing rapid fire with him, Umesh and Kuldeep. But before we reconnect with them, we are going to give away the next set of honors.
Absolutely. The next category is the Coach of the Year and the nominees are.
And the winner is Ravi Shastri.
Whoa. Congratulations, Ravi bhai. Guys, your thoughts on Ravi sir?
He's
The next set of honors is for the Sportsman of the Year team, and the nominees are. The winner is चाबूक पूल मारणारा आपला मुंबईचा मुलगा रोहित शर्मा.
hello everyone.
Thank you so much for your time, guys. This was great fun.
Take care. Okay, so let's move forward. It's time to present our next honor. It is for the Sportswoman of the Year 2019 and the nominees are.
And the winner is Rani Rampal.
Thank you so much, Rani. Keep inspiring all of us.
It's time for a short break. We will see you on the other side very quickly.
It's
Welcome back, everybody. You are watching the RPSG Indian Sports Honors.
The next category is the comeback of the year 2019, and its worthy contenders are.
And the winner is Mohammad Shami.
के पीछे कितना हार्ड वर्क है.
Well, sports in our country is at the throes of revolution and people like Virat are one of the pioneers of it. Not only has Blue Rising helped give other sports an impetus, the Virat Kohli Foundation is also providing scholarships to budding athletes, successfully shaping our country's future.
And these young athletes got a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to have a conversation with Virat Kohli. Let's check it out.
Guys, I had a lot of fun shooting this, and you can catch the full episode on Disney Plus Hotstar.
Oh really? I don't know how I missed that.
अरे मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको.
We are going to watch this. You take a quick break.
Absolutely. See you in a bit. ये देखो, कितना मजा आया यार.
Welcome back, guys. What a sport without its mad ardent fans.
है ना?
And we have sorely missed them this year. Dancing in the aisles, fingers crossed with bated breaths, always sitting on the edge.
Absolutely, Sayami. And the next category is to honor the fan club of the year 2019, my favorite category, and the nominees are.
And the winner is Manju Pada.
Being an ambassador of Indian football.
यार Sayami, I know that you're a die-hard sports fan. यार कोई तो ऐसा moment होगा जो आपका favorite fan moment रहा होगा.
Actually, Apar, I've had two moments like these.
Okay.
The first time I met Federer, I was so shocked I just started crying.
Oh.
And when Sachin announced his retirement, I was outside his house crying. So both my fan moments, I've just been crying.
Okay, रोना नहीं. इस बात पे कोई रोएगा नहीं, guys. As our next honor is Club of the Year, and its nominees are.
And the winner is my favorite. दुनिया हिला देंगे हम दुनिया हिला देंगे.
क्या बात है,
Mumbai
Sayami.
Indians.
मजा आ गया यार. ये breakthrough performance इनकी बनती है. But coming next up is our actual breakthrough performance of the year. Female, and the contenders are.
And the winner is Shefali Verma.
Women's big Amlu.
Thank you, Shefali. Keep up with these performances. You make us very, very proud.
And moving on, it's time for Breakthrough Performance of the Year Male. And the nominees are. And the winner is Brandon Fernandez.
Congratulations, Brandon. Go and get the deserved spot for Indian football in the 2022 World Cup and the 2023 AFC. Resilience and never giving up are the hallmarks of a true champion. The next set of honors are for those who have not only made winning in a challenging situation a heroic feat, but they've taken the sporting world by storm. Congratulations, winners. You guys definitely have set the bar higher and made us very proud.
And the grandest of them all, we have saved it for the last Sayami, isn't it?
Absolutely. You know, Apar, even in 10 lifetimes, you and I will not be able to achieve what this man has.
Hands down, we'll never be able to do that. It's the Lifetime Achievement Honor for Mr. Jersey number 10, Shri I.M. Vijay.
खुशी है.
From one great to another, someone who left us, but his inspiration, his courage, and his determination will never die.
Yes, I had the privilege of sharing the stage with him when he... And with that, it is time for us to leave. Thank you for joining us for another edition of the RPSG Indian Sports Honors. But before we go, we would like to thank our sponsors. The title sponsors, RPSG.
Driven by Audi.
Broadcast partners, Star Sports.
Digital partners, Disney Plus Hotstar.
CSR partner, Virat Kohli Foundation.
Conceptualized by Cornerstone Sport.
Location partner, Vice, Juhu, Mumbai.
We will be back stronger and healthier. Till then, stay safe, wear a mask. Goodbye. This is Sayami and Apar signing off.
Take care.